Yes. What you saying, bro?
Good
to see you.
Yeah.
Prominent. Prominent?
Oh,
I can't even figure it myself out.
This is my big one, bro.
This bit. What's good, people? It's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm continuing my Cactus cook-up series. So at first I thought about only doing these in different countries, but man, there's so many sick producers over here, so many people that I want to link up with, so much talent that I want to show to everyone. So I thought, you know what, I'll maybe fly out to different countries every few months, but in between that, I'll cook up with people over here. And in this episode, I'm actually linking up with my guy Mikey Joe. If you don't know who Mikey Joe is, he's a sick producer. He's Jordan's main producer, but he's got a long list of credits. He's produced with people like Our Dads, Mike Righteous, Benny Banks, just a bag of people. And he's definitely known for his UK rap beats, but I know he can produce drill too and different genres. So I think the session's gonna be good, man. We've actually linked up before, we've had a studio session together, but I didn't bring the camera that day, I didn't film anything. And he's even been on the podcast. He was actually one of the first guests to come on the podcast, so it's kind of sick to see how much he's grown since then. But yeah, I just need to get my stuff together. Hopefully I don't forget anything this time like all the other times I've been out, and we'll get straight into it. Alright, so I thought I'd grab a quick coffee. I've got about maybe an hour before the studio session and I'm only 20 minutes away. But really I just wanted to get out of the house for a little bit. I wanted to sit somewhere, chill and think of some initial ideas. I haven't really done that before. Most of the time I'll just pull up to a studio and just see what the vibe's saying and go from there. But I wanted to do it a little bit differently today because recently my guy Larry O introduced me to a sick app. The app's called Songen. Let me show you how it works. So the app's kind of like having a co-producer. That's how they word it. And I see what they're saying because it's not really a beat making app. There isn't a drum sequencer. You can't edit the MIDI or anything. I think the main purpose of it is to help you come up with that initial idea, to help you get over a beat block, to give you some inspiration, and it works, man. Let me show you. Alright, so when I open the app, this is what it looks like. So in the mixer you have drums, bass, chords and the lead. You've got the MIDI file there and you can change the genre, the key, BPM, like everything that you need to get you going. Right now what I want to do is select the genre, and there's loads to choose from. There's boom bap, country, disco, drill. The one that I saw earlier, which I think I want to go with today, is wavy trap because it's got soulful harmonies with a modern beat. So a lot of Mikey Joe's beats are quite like meaningful, they're quite deep, so I think this is just going to get me a good chord progression to get started. So I'm going to go on wavy track, click done. I'm going to set the key, C sharp minor. I'm going to lock the key so it doesn't change. And for the tempo, I've got it on 90. I can maybe put it up to 92. I know a lot of his beats are around that tempo, and I'm going to lock the tempo as well. And now when I click generate, it's going to bring up a completely random like chord progression that works in that genre and BPM, and it's going to come up with a lead, a drum pattern and everything. Right now I'm really just focusing on the chord progression though. That's like the idea that I want. Like this actually. See what I'm saying? Instantly I've got crazy ideas for that one. So I'm going to take the drums off and the bass. Like I said, for me personally, I just want to focus on the progression. I'll play that by itself. Yeah, those middle chords there, something that I wouldn't have really thought of myself. So I'm going to click save, and I've got that wavy trap one at the top. Let's generate another one. Ooh, this one sounds sick. Could make something real catchy with this. And I'm not worrying about how the instruments sound in the app. Like I said, that's not the purpose of the app. The purpose is to get the idea down, and then I'm gonna pull up something in FL Studio and then work something around that. So I really like this progression. I don't need the drums. Let's just hear the chords by themselves again. Yeah, that's hard. So I'm going to save that, and this is how you export it. So I've got these here. These are some that I tried a bit earlier, but the top two, they're the ones that I want to export more than anything. So I'm going to go to the first one. So right now I just want MIDI file separated drums so that it separates the chords and everything else. I just want the 8-bar loop. That's all I need. I'm going to click export, and now I can email it to myself. So yeah, I've just done that. Let's see if we can find one more. I like the vibe of this one too. Try just the chords. Yeah, I can hear something emotional on this, so let's save this one. Again, I'm just going to export this. I just want the separated drums. Alright, so I've just emailed that one to myself. And let's get one final one before I set off. Let's switch up the genre though. So I'm going to get rid of wavy trap, because if you select multiple ones, then it's going to generate one of them each time. So I just want drill this time. Let's change the key. I'll set the key to, let's go F minor actually. Tempo, I can bring that up to 140. And now let's generate something. Yeah, this one might work actually. I'm going to save this. Again, I'm going to export it, separate MIDI files, bounce that to my email, and we're good to go. I like this one as well. This progression's sick. Quite a simple drill progression, but I could hear the energy in that straight away. So yeah, this is the last one I'm going to save. Alright, so I've bounced that to my email now too. And now I've got like 4 initial ideas to bring. So when we get to cooking up, I can just pull up the MIDI straight away and instantly catch a vibe. So I feel like that's just going to save me a bit of time. It's going to spark that inspiration straight away when we get there. And yeah, I think the session's going to be sick. So yeah, I'm going to head there now, meet Mikey Joe, and we'll see what happens. Right now, basically my second home. I come here like all the time, and yeah, I'm in a bit of a different room this time. Usually we're in the bigger one, but that was booked up today. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Mikey Joe, and then we'll get into it. Yes, what you're saying, bro. Good to see you. Alright man, what we're saying for the first one then? Got UK rap.
UK rap, always.
Let me pull up one of the midis I was talking about earlier from the app.
Yeah, do that, they sounded nice.
What we're saying, like what instrument?
Just put a piano in just to see where we're at with the midis.
Yeah. Go from there.
Yeah. That's more like it. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, right, and then move that over.
What, so it's all equal?
Yeah, so it's easier. So move that. You see that one that's on the
move this and one back. Is
move that, yeah. Just so this just makes it easy. Some sounds. Maybe have this as we'll have this as like a lay. That's a nice piano, by the way.
Yeah. Let me just get it a bit more natural.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. And then maybe these ones
and
a bit different.
Just do them similar. Sounds like a Dave. Yeah, that'll do. Let's do.
Alright, cool.
Get like a layer them chords with like a pad or something. I reckon we just get on Spice and find some sick vocals.
Yeah, like some nice R&B or soul vocals.
Yeah, just vocals and just put them in the background.
Alright then.
Falling, oh, down.
This too. You're going a bit too fast.
Oh, look what you've done.
Just like washed out.
This will be cold.
To me.
That'll be cold as well.
Yeah.
I could have done, yeah. It would have just sent it up weird.
It's interesting how it works.
Oh, you reckon do these on a separate mixer?
Just that count though, just fuck try a bit. Because I don't want it to be that prominent. It's a word called
Prominent?
Oh,
I can't even figure it myself out.
I like this space piece, it's cool. Do that. And then if you just try it out again.
Yeah.
So it's not really there, you know?
Yeah, this is more ambient.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
See for that second one, so don't play the same thing twice. You could maybe chop that out
Yeah,
and reverse just that one bit.
Yeah, you do.
So I'm gonna try,
this
yeah.
is just the skeletons right now.
Yeah. So it's like,
I don't do much, but I usually take a lot higher.
yeah.
Is that better? So you can, so in like a verse, in like the verse.
Is it the end?
That's better.
I'll turn it down. It's a bit mad. Yeah.
That's better, isn't it?
Yeah.
Trust me, this is gonna sound cold. Trust me. You don't need.
So we don't really need
No,
anything else. We've got counters, piano, pad, vocal.
Like that.
Like that. It does sound
That. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there we go. I wanted to get a bit of a hi-hat pattern first.
Oh yeah, do the hats, innit?
Got a bit of a hi-hat pattern.
Oh, I've called this one. Oh, this is sick. Oh, did you say you got effectrix?
Yeah.
Yeah, load that up.
Do your thing. What are the hats?
Yeah. Actually, let me first. Just like little.
Sounds sick.
Keep it. And also when it comes out, it's nice.
Okay,
Yeah, like that. Exactly. I feel like this one. I feel like if we make these quite basic, yeah, and then we could just do like, you know, like what I've done, them little filler things.
Yeah, keep one pattern basic and then
Like quite traditional.
This is the one.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Down. Yeah. That's fine.
This last kick that I need to get.
This bit. Because the rappers.
Play it back.
Wait till
Cactus.
that's a clean sounding tag. It's cold. It's cold.
Mikey Joe made this.
Legendary tag as well.
Yeah, man. Ooh. Hear that little reverse thing? Nice one, brother. See you soon, man.
Get on.